My first career was in rock and roll sound. I mixed monitors for the Doobie Brothers. I did keyboards and guitars for Gary Wright and Peter Frampton. And so I got the School of Hard Knocks by building systems and taking them out on the road. From there I went into studio work, and I spent several years in LA working around the different studios, building custom electronics. Came back up here and found myself a position working for Francis Coppola in the film industry. We were getting into synchronizing 24-track tape recorders with film chains. We're in the post-production process, and that was pretty advanced at the time. It became much more of a company at that point. I'd been doing a lot of independent work. They ended up forming David Carroll Electronics in 1986, and we went out and did the Skywalker Ranch project, did many projects one after the other for many years after that. My philosophy in terms of what I'm trying to do with the business is to solve problems in a unique way that brings some kind of value. The fundamentals of it are still the same. You're looking for a way to solve a problem for an individual or for a company or for a use case. We're now at the cusp where video over IP is becoming a reality for production environments. You can have a plug-and-play environment, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you can put it together and make something useful out of it. There's still a need in our industry for people who understand sound and light and how they work together, and understand that the tech is just there to support that. There's all of the bits and pieces that come together to form the ultimate solution. As a design-build integrator, we try to promote the best products for the particular purpose. What makes DCA a little bit unique, perhaps, is that we really have a stable of Renaissance people. We've got a level of experience within the company to understand the needs from the beginning to the end. As tech has grown more diverse and sophisticated, so has DCA. We've grown along with the industry from analog to digital to fully networked systems, and we have the experience and expertise to back it up. Ultimately, we want the client to get what they need, regardless of what technology we put on the table. We're hoping to deliver a solution to the client that meets their needs and exceeds their expectations.